2 for 51. Fifth ball of the 7th over to be bowled. Jeetan Patel with beautiful flight doing for Mike Hussey.
Oh.
Now this is a quick outfield. Given we've had a few showers, it is still a quick outfield. We've got slipping fielders. We've had that. It's power for you. It's nothing more than a little forearm jab, just to soften up the opponent.
This is lightning fast, this outfield. God knows what kind of score a side could end up with in conditions like this, but you just have to hit the gap and you'll get full benefit for it. Razor quick across there, and Vincent is no slug, I can tell you. He can really...
That is a beauty. You can't play it better than that. Just a little shuffle of the feet. And all the time in the world.
That's where that old stand used to be. And this is a wonderful hitter of a cricket ball. Big man, 6'4", 6'5", got to be up around